Hi, I'm Mubashir Nazar. I help companies get clients on LinkedIn. I'm also LinkedIn trainer and coach. In this video, I will show you a new feature of LinkedIn that is called Add Custom Button. And now recently LinkedIn has introduced an innovative feature called Custom Button, also known as Book an Appointment feature, aiming to enhance your networking experience. The efficiency of the book and appointment feature lies in its ability to guide visitors through a tailored form, ensuring valuable interaction while saving time. In order to add this button to your LinkedIn profile, please have in mind that you must have a LinkedIn premium account. And now you can see that I have a no LinkedIn premium account because I have a simple. That is why uh, I cannot add here the custom button. For this, you just need a premium account like a Sale Navigator, Recruiter, because I am just using a free version from LinkedIn employees for 6 months as a gift. So that is why I cannot add here. Now you can see that if I need to add here, so I need to buy LinkedIn premium account. And now you can see that this is my client and he is using this time book an appointment, and now you can see that. And here is you can appoint meeting with my client. So the video about how you can add this button. So first of all, you have LinkedIn premium account, and after this you just need to click on this pencil sign, and after this you just need to scroll down this page, and now you can see that here you just need to click on added custom button, and now select a button to display on your profile. If you want, select link premium custom, so you can add here according to your requirement. And now this is a book an appointment. From here you can select according to your requirement. For example, you just need people visit your store, so you can also select here the visit my store, visit my website, view my portfolio, view my blogs, and book an appointment. So this time I am just clicking here the visit my LinkedIn profile, and here I am just pasting here the URL of website. And now after this I just need to click on save, and now it's saved now. And now you can see that button is appearing here, visit my website. So you just need to click on visit my website, and now people can visit your website. So hope you understand the new feature of LinkedIn add custom button. If you have any question related to this, then I am available here. Thank you for watching this video.